You can have great content on a website, but if nobody knows about it, all it is just a private journal. And today I'm going to be walking you through how I attract people to my website with no ads and no team. I'm going to be talking to you today about how I'm able to grow my website, how I was able through this growth to get monetized, and how I earned through monetization. And it's done using three simple steps. It is how you attract people to your website, how you keep them on your website pages once they land, and how you keep bringing them back every week and every month. Now, I use several platforms to promote value, which links back to my website. So it could be reading this blog, download this free ebook. It could be download this free resource and apply it right now. It's going to help you to manage your time better. Now, my posts are SEO optimized. And by doing this, I'm ensuring long-term traffic in regards to what people are seeing online. I also make sure that I schedule my posts. So my posts are scheduled every week. They're scheduled months in advance. And I use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube community posts as well. And all of these are working in the background every week, reminding people this is what is available, this is what's free. Now, the second step that I want to talk to you about, and I need you to stay around for the first step because it's much easier to do than you think. But for the second step, people do get a little bit confused in how to do this. Now, the way that you keep people on your website is you give them a reason to stay. So I would use interlinks, or I'll use call to action. So interlinks is, for example, you're reading my blog and at the end of the blog, it will say, click this blog to read about this. That is my other blogs on my other pages. I might say, click this ebook and download straight away. And this ebook will be connected to the topic of the blog. You could be on my homepage and I might say something like, want to know how you can get better at conflict resolution? Watch this video now. This is an example of interlink. Another way is in my blog, I can put at the bottom of my blog, come back every Wednesday to get fresh and new insights. Now, by doing this, what we are now creating is a habit. We're being consistent now in regards to what we're uploading and what we're adding. And visitors are going to understand that habit and they'll know what to expect and when to expect it. You want the visitors to be curious so they can read more, click more, and they can download more. Now, the final step is so simple. One of the two strategies that I mentioned, you can also apply as well. So to be able to get people to come back, you've got to give them a reason to come back, and you also want to let them know why they should be coming back. In the introduction, which is on each of my pages, it's a little bit of a text. I'll give some information about what this page is about. And if it's on my, say for example, downloading insights from my Insights Hub, I'll say something like, come back every month for new insights that you can download and apply straight away. And I also mentioned in regards to number one, of the two steps that I mentioned, it's step one. Remember, if you're cross-promoting on your social media platforms, you're attracting people to come, but you're also reminding people that usually come to your website that may have forgotten that this has just been released or there's a new free resource. It sounds very simple. So how are you able to do this, Natalie? It's very easy. I offer real solutions for real life problems and it's free. You can watch it, read it, you can download it. And I use two specific tools, Google Analytics to monitor and track the behaviors of the visitors with those three steps. The second is using Google AdSense, which shows what I earn, how I've earned it, and I can assess and analyze what are the activities and the behaviors that gives me the most money in earning. You might be thinking, oh my goodness, Natalie, how are you able to do all of this and everything else that you do? I also focus on where my time goes and managing my time better. Check out this video, the link is in the description, and you can be able to learn more about how you can manage your time better. If you're looking to build your website, build your brand, grow your website, want to get monetized, I offer a free 1-hour coaching session, and all you need to do is just click book an appointment and let's talk. Now, for our next live, I'm going to be talking to you about the real cost of living in Jamaica. If you're enjoying this content, all you need to do is tap and subscribe so that you won't miss the next live.